the best sort of workshops possible. So dense with information, such practical hands-on information that you can use straight away.
It's going to save you 6 months of research.
Definitely worth every cent. I learnt so much more than I even thought that I didn't even consider.
Learn what's within your capability, what is probably not within your capabilities.
Obviously he's got a lot of passion for tiny houses.
It's really practical information, which is fantastic.
I think it's really insightful to go to all 4 of them.
I couldn't really pinpoint one thing because there was so many from each workshop.
And it's great to have information that's based on practical experience.
I don't think there's really many other places that do workshops like this.
I'm really re-energised, I'm really refocused. I want to really start building early next year.
Liberate yourself.